This is a bit of a fun little video really. This is mainly just for a friend of mine, Roy Galvin, who has got an interest in bicycle bells. And I bought this one over in Holland, and Roy wanted to see how well this bell actually worked. So this is the Yepp bicycle bell. It's a really well made metal bell. It's pretty big, as you can see from my hands. Just clamps on in the usual way, and it's got this really nice ding dong action. So if I can hold it here and manage to hold it still, here we go. This will let people know you come in without any doubt whatsoever. I think you'd have to agree that's pretty effective, and then about warning people that you're coming, it might just scare them to death, but I reckon it's pretty damn good. So that's all for that, folks. The Yepp bell. Cheers.